Today's strategy can be used to trade the 4-hour time frame and beyond in any type of financial asset that has high volatility. It is an advanced level strategy, so I advise you to repeat the video as many times as necessary. The first thing we will have to do is select the MACD indicator. We will configure this indicator with the parameters of 2138.1. For the signal line, we will change the color to yellow. The MACD line, we will deactivate it. And to the signal line, in addition, we will change the type of line to histogram. Once configured, we should have something like this. The next indicator to add to the chart is the adx+macd indicator. With the following configuration of 25 and the following colors. In case you don't know what the ADX indicator is, the ADX, Average Directional Movement Index or Movement Index. Average Directional has 3 lines, ADX, white, plus die, green, and minus die, red. The ADX line indicates the strength of the current trend. If it is above the value of 20, the current strength is starting or has already started. The plus die line indicates the strength of the uptrend. If it is above the value of 20, this trend is strong. And the last line, the minus die, indicates the strength of the downtrend. If it is greater than 20, the downtrend is strong. A value below 20 would indicate that the trend is weak. If the plus die, minus die, or ADX lines are below their value of 20, the current strength of the market has diminished and we may enter a range or sideways trend, the same as if all 3 lines are below 20. This strategy works with the strength of a trend, that is, when the financial assets enters a strong trend, whether it is bullish or bearish. If the financial asset enters a lateral trend, this strategy will not give any entry signal or it may give us a false signal, but for this we have the ADX. The signal is very simple to understand and apply. First, the ADX should tell us that a trend is beginning. Second, the MACD will confirm the trend and give us the entries for the operations. But let's show it with examples. Let's start with an example of a buy trade. We will buy if the ADX then plus die lines are above 20 and the minus die line is below 20. If this is true, we will see that the MACD has one of the following forms. If this is true, we will open a buy trade. We will put our stop loss at the last low or high, and our take profit in a risk-benefit ratio of 2:1. This means that we risk 1 to get 2. It is also preferable to place the take profit in the support and resistance zones. Now, let's see an example of a sale operation. We will sell if the ADX and minus die lines are above 20 and the plus die line is below 20. If this is true, we will see that the MACD has one of the following forms. In case this is fulfilled, we will open a sell operation. We will put our stop loss at the last high or low, and our take profit in a risk-benefit ratio of 2:1. This means that we risk 1 to get 2. It is also preferable to place the take profit in the support and resistance zones. It is always preferable that when checking the MACD, the bars are not too close to the center line. Let's see some more operations. This strategy is simply amazing and effective. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.